Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her little sister Fox, chapter 28. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Minjun. Right now, she was still the banquet holding by the family of Jian. I have to find a way to find excuse to leave and go see my sister. Minjun said to herself. Everyone seems to be busy. Oh, it turns out there's a man who's looking for her and said, Oops, long time no see, Sister Jian is even more beautiful right now. What do you think? Who is this person? You still remember me? I'm your brother Song. You will still hug my trouser legs and said that you wanted to marry me. Oh, it turns out this boy is Minjun cousin named Song. Long time no see, cousin. The gold and jade are outside and they are defeated in it. Your name is too common. I remember that when we were young, you always chased behind me and called me brother. That time, you were really cute. Oh, this man. He seems to be annoying. I don't know if Sister Jian has a fiancé now. If not, look at me. It seems that a high ego. Well, Minjun said, my cousin is really joking. I already have a fiancé. Oh, this thing. She wants to escape, but right now this person is holding her. Well, it was getting late at night. Finally, the two of them already met. UNC. She was approaching Minjun. Well, Minjun was sitting on the swing. Probably, it's been late. At this time, all the guests are not in the house. Little sister, is the family banquet over early? UNC is asking Minjun. Well, probably she was still annoyed by the man. Well, there's a conflict with the guests. Jian Shaohan has dismissed early. Oh, it turns out it was like this. So her aunt, she protected her, or she's been annoyed by her. The chainsaw is really annoying. Straight eyes like a wetlands gathered together. The Jian Shaoyan. Of course, she really hated her aunt. But right now, she remember what her aunt said. If you cannot find the right partner, I will choose the right person from the clan to be your partner. Is this the best use of it? Yes, it is the best, Minjun said to her aunt. No wonder UNC hated Pak so much. Well, she remembered it. Right now, she was holding the hands of UNC. UNC was calling her, but she seems to be surprised. Sister, UNC grabbed her hands. She looks really surprised about it. Well, it was a serious time this moment. Remember, you haven't told me why I am a bad boy again. For what? In a way, it's definitely not because of jealous. I am so angry. UNC was calling her sister. I just don't care, sister. I just want candy and to know awards is encouragement. So this is it. Minjun moved closer to UNC and she really kissed her. UNC said to her, what other rewards do you want? My wolf person is already yours. Not enough. I want more. The two of them still hugging each other until Minjun said to her, I love my sister. Minjun, she looks really in love and she is facing UNC. Looking at her eyes, it's a big meaning about it. Suddenly, there's a phone clicking. Well, someone is taking a picture of them. The two of them are really surprised. Who? And who is there? They are finding who is the person who's taking a picture of them. Turns out, her cousin. That boy's song is really annoying person and right now, he is taking a picture of the two of them. Right now, UNC, she became alerted. Don't pretend to be a ghoster. Get out. She was calling the man. Of course, she didn't meet it yet. Sorry to disturb your laughing. Minjun was calling her cousin. Good sister, just you said that. So who's the stranger who is with you right now? Well, hearing this, UNC, we've been photographed. course, she know about consequence. That's why right now she's been alerted. So she can took off. Jane, what do you think? Right now, UNC is acting, going to pursue that boy. I don't want to do anything. I just think it's strange. No wonder you don't want to marry me. It turns out that you've been hooked up with others. That's why you don't want me, right? But right now, I think about it. You and your mother are in the same low blood. She is an unpopular mistress even if it's combined with the blood of Gian family. He was also an arrogant person. She's mistreating Gian family. You can only hybridize such a shameless things as you. Also, it's been belittled Minjun right now. It's been provoked and teased by the person. UNC. Finally, she want to defeat this boy. More on words but can do manually. You silly, how dare you to hurt me? How can you afford to hurt my face? Wait, are you the bodyguard of the Gian family? That's why right now you became too arrogant. What a grey wolf. Silly found a more lowly grey wolf, also provoking her. Her cousin is really shameless. She's been always belittled. It's a perfect match. It's a perfect match. Hearing this right now, Minjun, she got really mad. Even though UNC trying to stop her. Of course, right now, she can able to decide for herself. She's been too angry. Right now, she was acting to going to hug her brother. Haha, what a good girl. Sisters think clearly and come and join me. Let's embrace. Her cousin said to her. Right now, looking at Minjun, I just don't know if you've been played badly. Her cousin is advising her. She has a plan and something else. Sadly, without even notice, she grabbed her cousins tightly. Well, what is she going to do? Right now, it turns out Minjun. She is not really vulnerable person but also a strong one. She can handle things for herself. Right now, she got her cousins onto the fund. And it turns out her cousin is really crying. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting me. Thank you for joining the membership, Elizabeth, Sora, and August. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.